Good morning. So it is grade 15. It's currently 7:01 and we're going to go head down for breakfast, and then hopefully I'm going to edit this video and post it. So I'm back in my room. I'm just going to try and finish editing up my video, and then we're gonna head out at 8:15. It's currently 7:44. I also wanted to show you yesterday when we went to Don Quixote after dinner, I bought these really nice kimono that you saw yesterday, and I also bought this suitcase. Let me see if I can grab it. Ooh, dropped everything. Okay, so I bought this suitcase. It's really big, but I bought this one, and then there's a carry-on size one inside. So that was my purchase for... So that was what I bought yesterday. It's my big ticket shopping item. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this real quick, and then I guess see you on the bus. So before I go on our trip today, I just got this lotion, kind of like a it's like a sunscreen from Don Quixote. You can buy it anywhere, but it's this Biore UV Aqua Rich. It's so good because you put it on and it's kind of wet, and then it'll dry like a powder feel, so it's really nice. It's not oily or anything. I'm like obsessed with it because my skin hates anything like oily or sticky, so that's really good. So okay, see you on the bus. Okay, this is my outfit. We're getting on the bus now. So we just got to our pit stop in Ige, and then we're gonna be going up to Motobu for the, no, not Motobu, I mean Nago. And we're going to the glass factory first, and then after lunch I think we're going to Churaumi. We just arrived at the glass factory. I think we're making glass cups, but look at this. So cute. Here we are. So we're gonna make our glass blowing now. The whole camera crew right here. Dad, Auntie. So after the glass blowing, we can go inside the glass house, and then we can go shopping. So this is where last time we made the candles. Maybe I'll insert a clip from last time. Right now we're gonna make a candle. So I'm with Yurino and her family. So I think we're just going to be waiting until everyone does their cup making. So we just got to the area where Churaumi is going to be, and they just had us walk there. But this is the view. And way out there, let me see, right there is Iejima. We've made it to the entrance of Churaumi. It's like the train. We're just in the museum, I mean the aquarium now. Here, we're in the big tank. In middle school, our teacher, Mr. Hom, would always talk about the megamouth shark, and now I've finally seen one kind of in real life. pretty cool. It's huge though. This is where everyone's given up. This is so funny. So we just went outside and we passed the manatee place over here. And this is the view of Churaumi. It's pretty impressive. And then we're gonna go to the sea turtle area that's right here. Let me turn it around. We made it to the dolphin area. We're in front of, I think, maybe they're porpoises. Where'd he go? So I think they're having a show for the dolphins. There's supposedly, my friend said there's 13. Let's see. I left my brother because he wanted to go up the hot way. So I'm walking back to the aquarium and just gonna go up the stairs and try and see if I can get like a snack or something. Alright, so it is 2:12 right now. We gotta meet back at that earlier spot at 2:30. So I'm just leaving Churaumi. I don't know where everybody is, so hopefully they're all where they're supposed to be. Maybe I can get a drink on the way too. I'm back on the bus. Gonna head home. Oh, we're going to the island? Which one? We're going to an island. We've made it to Kouri Island. Almost at the top here.
She's never been here? She has.
So there's one more floor above us, and then it's the top of this tower. So hot. It's just everybody up here. We just bought a ton of things and a drink, and now we're gonna leave back to Naha. We just got our pit stop. And look at these guys. Passed down in the car. We just got back to the hotel from Motobu area, and now we're going to go eat dinner. It's kind of late now. It is 6:42. So it's time for dinner time. Eating dinner at a steakhouse.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay, so we got home, and because we got home early today and got to eat dinner early, I get to take a hot tub bath for the first time. No, pretty much this year, first time, I guess, because we don't have a tub at home. But if you're watching Michelle, I'm finally using it. Thank you. And this is going to be my tub. I actually was watching the volleyball game over there, and I forgot to keep an eye on the tub. So the tub is super full, so I'm gonna probably have a tsunami when I sit in it, because it's like up to the brim, like my fingers in the water already. Let's see. Okay, well, I'm just gonna shower. Do you shower? I don't know, I don't tub bath, but what do you guys do? Do you shower first and then go in the tub, or do you tub and then shower, or do you not shower? I'm just gonna shower and then go to the tub, because then I can just dry off, put on my pajamas, lay on the bed. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so that bath was way too hot. I didn't know that, like, the proportions of how to do a good tub bath. So I put like, I think it was like half, less than half, like an eighth of the tub was super hot water, and then I put cold water, and it was way too hot. I feel like I'm sweating.